Hello students, today we are going to start with our chapter number 4, that is waste heat recovery, cogeneration and trigeneration. In this lecture we will start with waste heat recovery. Here we will see various types of waste heat recovery devices, how we can recover the heat from power plants, how it will contribute to improve the efficiency of particular power plant, as well as we will see how cogeneration and trigeneration improves the overall efficiency of that particular power plant. So first of all we will start with waste heat recovery. Some unit outcomes related to the waste heat recovery are given here. First one is to explain the need of waste heat recovery of given thermal power plant, and second is to explain with sketch working principle of cogeneration and trigeneration in the given thermal power plant. So all in all we are going to discuss about benefits of cogeneration, trigeneration, and how waste heat recovery will contribute to improve the efficiency of thermal power plant. In previous chapter we have discussed about steam power plant, its classification, arrangement, that is layout of steam power plant, then operating principle, advantages and disadvantages, and the maintenance related to the thermal power plant. Also in that chapter we discuss about gas power plant, in which we have gone through open cycle, closed cycle gas turbine, then various components of gas turbine cycle, then advantages and disadvantages of gas turbine power plant, and then the maintenance procedure to be followed in gas turbine power plant. In this chapter, in short, we can say we are going to discuss about waste heat recovery, its introduction, then need of waste heat recovery, next how there are various opportunities in various processes related to the thermal power plant. It is possible to recover the waste heat that will contribute to improve the efficiency of thermal power plant. First of all we will see what is waste heat. Simply we can say steam which is coming out of the steam turbine may contains some amount of heat. Flue gases coming out of the gas turbine power plant also contain large amount of heat, or whatever exhaust gases coming out of the automobiles, they also contains some amount of heat. If heat coming out of the various processes can be reused in that same setup to improve its performance by using various heat recovery devices, then that heat will be more useful to improve the efficiency of that particular plant, and it will reduce our economy to operate that particular plant. In this slide one example is given which shows how we can reuse the heat which we are going to discharge into the atmosphere. If that heat is directly released to the atmosphere, it will contribute to the global warming. Here it is mentioned that if that heat is reused for heating application or for generation purpose, then efficiency of that plant will be more. Here various sources of waste heat are given. First one is heat in flue gases, and also the quality of that heat content is also mentioned. Higher temperature, greater potential value for heat recovery, it's about flue gases. Then vapor streams, convective and radiant heat loss from exterior equipments, heat losses in cooling water, heat losses in providing chilled water, or in disposal of chilled water, heat stored in products leaving the process, heat in gases and liquid implements leaving process. So, according to source, how the potential to recover the heat is more or less is also mentioned here. For some sources, it is mentioned that the low grade heat will be available, but for some sources, high quality, greater potential value of heat recovery is mentioned.